Hello, everybody. Welcome, traders, to the Dadas Trading System Workshop. This is a very short video to illustrate something about the markets and about some indicators that you are using. Specifically, I'm going to illustrate the relativity of what you are seeing on the charts using the eye mirror MQ4 indicator. The eye mirror MQ4 simply plots an inverted chart on your normal chart. So it's the other way, the other direction, right? So the motto of this film is what you see ain't what you get, right? That's the relativity. So here you see two charts, right? The basic chart or the normal chart is the white and green by default, as it is in MetaTrader 4. And this one, the red and blue one, is the mirror chart. So it's in other words, it's the mirror view of this of the other chart. Now we are right now zoomed in maximum zoom in. Now observe what happens. This is the picture when the chart is zoomed in maximum. Let's move out one, right? The context changes a little bit. Now the context changes completely, right? You see? So we zoom out one more time. Still the context changes, right? And one more time. Still the context changes. So in other words, here let's zoom in now. Okay, this was the and this is the maximum zoom out, and the context changes again, right? Because using the mirror charts, we would have to think right now that in this view, right? In this view, we are the price is going up. In other words, it has a tendency, perhaps, I don't know, perhaps it has a tendency to meet up again and cross each other, right? So yeah, but as we zoom in, right, we get a different picture. Now they have already crossed, yeah. Now they're going the other direction. So in this view, we might be thinking of consolidation, that is going to be coming back down, right? So you see, okay, let's zoom in one more time. Again, very similar picture, right? And again, let's zoom in one more time. Now we have yet another picture, yeah? Where are we? Are we going up to meet and cross, or are we going down? So yeah, and let's zoom in one more time. Okay, like this. You see? Now what are we going? Now again we are going up, perhaps, right? Because it's just crossed. Are we? So you see, it's all relative. It's all very, very relative. And well, perhaps somebody may may use this relativity for something, or I don't know. After all, you know, getting in long right there on this candle could have made some pips, right? Especially if we had some tools like the Dadas secret weapon strategy, DSWS, right? Okay, perhaps, yeah. Again, right here, it seems like so, because yeah. Okay. Well, the colors are the other way right here, so I can change that in the indicator. Let's see if we can change that right here in the colors. Yeah, of course we could change the colors right here. In other words, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and now we have the let's say, Okay, like this, right? Well, but I think that the colors had been changed on purpose right here, in the other direction. So let's reset them in the other direction. Yeah, yeah, because basically, yes, those are the falling candles or the bearish candles right there, and those are the bullish candles. I mean, on the real chart. Okay. Additionally, as you see, this is something I wrote, or let's say I tweaked the chart, the code a little bit, so that we have an automatic width adjustment. So yeah, the width adjusts as we change the zoom. So the actual width of the candles adjusts to the to the actual width of the real candles. Okay, that's it. Okay, please join me on Patreon, support me on PayPal. You can get my system if you wish. You can get my coaching. I can help you with coding. A lot of things I can do. Thank you very much. See you next time.